In this video, we are going to go over how to create a load. So from your dashboard, you can hover over loads and click on create a load for a quick access, or you can access it from the planning page as well and click on new load, which will take you to the same exact screen. You will now see here, we can input our load information, starting with the pickup. We can start with location, so we can type in our address or names, and we will have search results that we can then match up and select, or type in the full address manually if we would like. We can input our information corresponding to the pickup, whether it's pickup number, the from and to as well, whether this is a time period or an appointment. You can use the date and time picker if you would like, or you can also manually type in and or copy and paste this information. So here we're going to add a 1 hour time window and then move on to the following info. So whether that's the weight, pallets, pieces, bill of lading number, order, or notes here as well, you can input that info in regards to the pickup. So here, for example, we're going to call Jim at this number when we arrive. Do the same thing for the drop off. We'll be able to select from our matches here if we have a specific delivery number. Same thing with the time frame. So let's select this one to be the 24th, and it's going to be at 3:30 in the afternoon, but as an appointment. As you can see, the fields then change, and you have the similar information in regards to the drop-off info. You have an option for a confirmation number if that's needed, as well as notes. Continuing on with additional load detail, we will have a required load number, which you can input. If there's a specific order number, weight, commodity, which you can type in, or select from the list any specific trailer type that you have. You can select along with the size, pallets, specific load value, and you'll see your loaded miles pull up. Next, in the driver detail section, we will be able to select our drivers from the list or start typing with then matches filtering out for us. Once we select our driver, their pertinent information will be shown here, so their contact, as well as the truck that they are assigned to, and their start point. If you are adding a load for the very first time, the start point will be empty, and you will be able to manually adjust it here to make sure that then the empty miles are going to be correct. Here we have 0 because they are starting at the same location. Finally, into customer detail, as you can see, when you go into the field, you will have that same functionality of the list showing up, but you can start typing where it will filter it out. If you have a specific customer order number that you need to reference, you can input that there as well. Their contact info will autofill from the customer profile. You can then input the rate. Here we will be getting 2,500 for this load. Tab through to the billing method. Flat will be here by default, but you can adjust to different methods as well. You are able to then click enter or scroll and click save here, where then your order info will be saved, and you will now see a slightly different view where you can manage this existing order.